Sinukli ay ng Kumu na. Bakbakan na. Bakbakan sa Masbate. Happening now. Oh, actually, napakagaling ng mga Masbateño fighters dito sa lugar nito. They have a lot of potential fighters dito sa Masbate. So, on the next card, mas marami pang amateur fighters and Masbateño fighters na lalaban. Both pro and amateurs. Watching from Agusan del Sur, ma'am. Thank you sa live. You're welcome po, Mr. 214. Shoutout po, Mr. Adto Lasquite Mark Lowell from Placer, Masbate. Yan. Oh, sinumbagay na. Piti-piti na. Also, Mr. Aris Cervantes, happy viewing po sa inyo, Sir Idol. Bagakay, Masbate. Wala. So, wala yun. Na-slide daw, na-slide. Sabi ng referee. Grabe yung action dito sa Katayngan Astrodome, yung mataw, parang ganun talaga lahat. So parang enjoy lahat ng mga tao dito eh. na naman po, we will be having an impressive fight card for that event. Masbate. So, ATK Promotions is actually not just promoting Philippine boxing, but we are also promoting Masbate tourism. Our fight will be actually in a very scenic view in Masbate, Lagoon. Dagat talaga yung ano natin, background sa laban na yun.
In 59 seconds of round number 4, we have a winner by knockout, Robert.